Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fit an Excel sheet on one page so your data looks perfect when printed or saved as a PDF. First, check your page break preview. Before making changes, you need to see exactly where Excel is currently cutting off your data. Go to the View tab and select Page Break Preview. This will show you blue dashed lines indicating where the page is currently split. If you see a column or row hanging off on page 2, you know exactly what needs to be pulled in. You can actually click and drag these blue lines to manually force more data onto a single page. Next, use the Fit to Scaling tool. The fastest way to handle large datasets is to let Excel automatically shrink the scale for you. Go to the Page Layout tab. Look for the Scale to Fit group. Change the width box from automatic to one page. If you also want to limit the height, change the height box to one page as well. Excel will instantly calculate the percentage needed to shrink your font and cells so everything fits within the margins. Lastly, adjust orientation and margins. Sometimes a quick layout change is better than shrinking your text until it's unreadable. On the Page Layout tab, click Orientation and switch to Landscape. For wide spreadsheets, Landscape is almost always the better choice. You can also click Margins and select Narrow. This reduces the white space around the edges, giving your data more breathing room and allowing it to fit onto one page at a much larger font size. And that's all there is to it. To fit your Excel sheet on one page, go to Page Layout and set the width to one page. For the best results, switch your orientation to landscape and use narrow margins to ensure your text stays large enough to read easily after it's been scaled down. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.